What the fuck? Yo, what's up guys, it's Aries. Today I got a cool little video for you guys today. My boy Slayer did like a small little Halloween event today he hosted today. It was like a small little zombie game. You guys will see it during the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Oh, that's MG, watch out.
We got one outside.
Yeah, that's not nice. Oh yeah, he's sitting up there.
Hold on.
I need to get down to
Which way? I'll come.
Fucking hide.
No, they're outside.
Oh, the MG's shooting through that door.
Which door? The main door?
Hey, move! Shoot Gabe! Gabe, move! Alright, let's go. Go, 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 go.
Alright, bye, you Slayer. How's the van looking? Oh shit. Inside door, inside.
He's out, he's out! There's a guy in the bottom.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, spool's out, spool's out. There's one in the van, there's one in the van.
Bro?
Yep. Clear that van, clear the van. I feel thanks. Okay.
Hey, hey. Inside stairway. Oh, yeah. Oh shit. Hit!
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're shooting these kids out. They're not standing a chance. I'm putting them down on the ground, stomping on them, curb stomp style, blast camp, OG, never fail. Let's get in.
To building 9,
Gabe.
where they will remain
No,
dead
motherfucker.
when you are to defend that building.
Don't fucking.
Your tongue versus my tongue wrestling match.
After that, you'll fall back to building 5.
Please don't.
After
Please
building 5,
don't.
you'll fall
Please don't.
After building 6, you'll fall back.
Oh, fuck.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Kind of gay. Yeah, he said shit's gay, but look at this. So in this game mode that my boy Slayer did, basically, you know, since it was close to Halloween, he basically did like a little Halloween, not a big event, but you know, like a cool little zombie game mode he made up. But basically, you know, if you die twice, you become a zombie. Which I'll be honest, Slayer, if you watch this, I'm sorry, I could not be a zombie. I was not wearing the right clothes that day, and I promise you, I got tore the F up. And to this day, I'm still very sore, and I still have hella marks on me. So thank you, but no thank you. But anyways, yeah, but basically if you see people running around, those are zombies. Yeah, enjoy. He's running for his life. What the fuck is going on?
Aries, you just point your gun at them, they walk away.
For real?
Yeah.
Nice. Wait, there's no enemy.
This guy's turning into a zombie.
There's no enemies though.
No, they're all turning into fucking zombies.
Oh, I'm
They're
scared.
all zombies.
Hey, can we wait, can we Nazi zombie train them?
Huh?
I'm gonna Nazi zombie train them.
The guy behind us is zombie.
I know he is. I want
Watch
you
out, they're in building 5.
over there.
Non-zombies are in building 5.
I have a grenade.
This guy's coming over. To our left, to our left. Over the hill.
You don't go over there.
I want to go to dark room. No, building 5 is full of people.
Let's go to dark room.
Hey, we're going to dark room. Don't go to building 5 because that's where they're all at. Watch the dark room doors. Yeah, in building 5 window.
I'm watching. You gotta go.
No, I'm already done.
You said ass. Yeah, let's get. Yeah, you heard me. All right, let's go in dark room.
I want to. Got to for the content, nerds.
Hold on.
For the content.
Hey, I got you. I know they are. You ready?
Hang on, we got boom. Make sure it gets around that wall.
I killed like 13 of them.
Fuck off.
Dude, I'm pro.
Huh?
Back up. Back up. I don't want people to come around that wall.
I got you. Oh, fuck. Well, let's go to content.
I can't see shit.
I know, right?
What a zombie? I don't know if that's friendly down the building.
I don't know, but he just, yeah.
Oh, are you laughing?
Oh shit! Yeah, the dude I shot.
Brayden, please, come on. I need content. No! No! Brayden, fuck off! Brayden, go away! Brayden, stop it! You're being a real sex offender right now. You're being very mean to me. I'm gonna do this all day. Fuck off, Brayden. And you just want content. God damn it! Come on! You're wrong. Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking... I just want content! Bad! Fucking penis! No! Stop it! Go somewhere else! Shoo! Hold on, watch I'm crossing. Yep. Okay. Friendly.
Over here, I've been killing them like crazy. One ran over here somewhere.
There's that guy in a window. I don't know who. I think there's someone in the forest. I can't. Oh shit. Hey, there's a lot of zombies coming. There's a zombie.
Hello.
Oh, fuck me. No. Oh, mama.
Hello.
No! Hey, I'm in spawn. Fuck off. Fuck off. Middle looks pretty okay so far. Hey, someone want to cover fire me? Go, I got you. Hey, you can cover for me? I'm gonna push it right over there.
Go. Hey, start getting more in.
Come on.
Get in.
Bring it out!
Go.
It's okay right here so far. Corners right here is okay so far.
Dude, I'm running this way. Let me go.
Hey, this corner right here's okay. Right there's okay. That corner's right there's good.
I'm so fucking plugged up. Shit. I'll go right over there. Clear. This one?
I don't know about the room. I don't know about that room. I don't know.
Whistle.
There it is. You want cover for you? I'll cover for you. Reloading.
I'm going. Take go. Now.
Fuck it. Oh.
Where is he? Yo, crossing. Marshall, where is he?
I'm across. Ready?
Hey. Get back. Good man.
You okay right here? I'm watching it. Hey, push up! Push up! How's it looking over there? Push up! I'm with you.
Are you good?
Yeah.
You can't be outside, right? Nope. I'm going back here. I thought that was right.
I don't got a visual right here.
I'm gonna rush in. Wait. Go outside. Let's fucking move.
Go, go, go. Clear, clear!
And that's gonna wrap up the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I am gonna have another video out soon. I am going to the Kinky Key factory next Saturday, so I'll be able to get some cool shots there too. But yeah, be on the lookout for that video too as well. I'll keep you guys posted up. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, you have a good day. Peace.